Measurement. We measure things to find the answer to the questions how much tall, how much more, how much less, how hot, how much heavy, how much long, etc. Measurement plays an important role in our daily life in many ways. For example, it helps us to find out weights of vegetables and fruits, length of clothes, distance between two places, temperature of our body, volume of liquids like milk and juice, different times of the day. All these activities need a correct measurement. The process of measuring something is called measurement. Let us study how we measure length, weight, capacity, time, and temperature. Measurement of length. Length is a type of measurement which tells us how long or wide something is. In olden days, people used hands, arms, and feet to measure length. But the length of the body parts is different in different people. The hands span, cubit, and foot span are non-standard units of measuring length. So we need to have a fixed unit for measuring things. A unit is a fixed quantity that is used as standard of measurement. The standard unit for measuring length is meter. Short lengths like length or width of doors and windows and size of clothes are measured in meters. Long distances like distance between two states or countries are measured in kilometers. Smaller measurement like that of the length of pencil, eraser and spoon is measured in millimeters and centimeters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Rulers, meter rods and measuring tapes are used to measure length of an object. Do you know the vertical length above the ground is known as the height of the object, while the length below ground level is known as its depth? Measurement of mass or weight. Weight tells us how heavy or light an object is. The units for measuring weight are kilogram and gram, milligram, etc. Smaller weights are measured in grams and heavy weights are measured in kilograms. The standard unit of mass or weight is kilogram. We use a beam balance and an electronic balance to measure weight. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. Measurement of capacity. The capacity of a container is the quantity of liquid it can hold. Jars, bottles, buckets, containers, etc. of different capacities are available in the market. A small vessel will have less capacity as compared to a big vessel. The units for measuring capacity are liters and milliliters. However, the standard unit of measuring capacity is liter. Smaller capacity is measured in milliliter, whereas larger capacity is measured in liter. The instruments used to measure capacity are measuring cylinders and measuring cans. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Measurement of time. We measure time in hours, minutes and seconds. The standard unit for measuring time is seconds. We measure time by a clock or a watch. The relationship between hours, minutes and seconds is 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Amazing fact. In earlier days, time was calculated by the movement of sun. Measurement of temperature. Temperature tells us how hot or cold a thing is. We measure temperature of an object with an instrument called thermometer. Temperature is measured either in degree Celsius scale or degree Fahrenheit. Amazing fact. The normal body temperature of a healthy person is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. On a very hot day, we say the temperature is very high. During the winter season, we experience cool temperature.